grilled pomfret and cucumbers. Hello friends and family. Nice to be back again with a new recipe, and it's grilled fish and it's charcoal grilled, a very popular dish in Asia countries. Many types of fish can be used, but my favorite is pomfret or avoli. Okay, before I go in detail, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Here I have one pomfret, about 500 grams, nicely cleaned and slit both sides. We have to use lime juice to rub it all over it. I'm using one lime. Squeeze the lime juice and using your hand rub the lime juice all over the fish. Both sides you have to do it, like how I am showing in the video. And later keep in the fridge, and meanwhile we can prepare the gravy for the grilling. And the ingredients for the gravy are ginger 1 tablespoon, garlic 1 tablespoon, belacan 1 inch, 18 dry chilies already soaked in hot water, 2 tablespoons jaggery, shallots sliced 50 grams. This we have to blend to a smooth paste. A few shallots and 2 curry leaves to saute in oil. Add all the ingredients to a blender jar. You can check in the description box for the full ingredients in case I have missed to mention some. I'm adding 1 tomato, slice it and add to the blender jar. Okay, less than half a cup tamarind juice and salt for taste. So these are the blended items. I am going to saute all this in the oil. Heat a pan. Use more oil. I am using coconut oil. It's the best for grilling. Once it is heated, add the sliced shallots onto it, followed by curry leaves and the blended ingredients. Saute it. Add the water from the jar and the tamarind juice, and also the salt as per your taste. Cook till it turns into a thick sauce. Now you can off the stove and let it cool before dressing the fish. Okay, now add some oil. Rub it evenly both sides. Dress the fish using the cooked paste. Rub both sides and even the inner part. Do exactly like how I am showing. At the slit areas, you rub nicely all over and keep it in the fridge. It will be more tastier because it will absorb all the gravy into it, and the flesh will be very tasty. Now I've heated a banana leaf. Place the fish in in it. You can add more paste before covering the banana leaf. You can grill this on a gas stove using banana leaf and a non-stick pan. I am grilling on a charcoal griller. Here is my grilling pit. Grill both sides. Okay, this is already finished grilling. Too hot to open now. Let's wait. Okay, this is how it looks like. Both sides are already grilled and very delicious to eat. This is the whole set: extra chili paste and cucumber slice. Nice to eat just like that, or with rice, bread, or even chapati. Thank you for watching my channel. Enjoy the fish. So till I see you again in my next video. Bye for now. Please try it.